Bagels are supposed to be simple. Flour, water, yeast, salt, and maybe a long fermentation if you're in New York. But in Pasadena, there's a shop doing something no one else dares. It's called Bageloo, and it sits in an unassuming plaza. The owner, Kevin O, didn't even start baking until he turned 60. Most people are slowing down at that age. He decided to reinvent one of the most iconic foods in America. And for the past 10 years, he's been perfecting a bagel unlike anything you've had before. Instead of rushing the dough, he proofs it 4, sometimes 5 times. That's hours of patience. Each batch is monitored until it meets his standard. Then every bagel is boiled and baked to create a texture that sits somewhere between soft and bouncy without being dense, light without being bland. It's a balance we haven't found in any other bagel. While most shops lean on butter or milk for richness, Kevin doesn't use any dairy at all. Instead, he does something almost unthinkable. He adds cabbage. Sounds strange, right? But cabbage changes the dough. It makes the bagel easier to digest, so you don't walk away feeling heavy. And this isn't guesswork. Kevin spent years researching, from New York to the West Coast, and even in Korea, studying how different regions make their bagels, what they get right, and what they don't. What he's created here isn't New York, LA, or Seoul. It's something of its own. Watching him work reminds us of Culinary Class Wars, the Korean Netflix competition with 100 chefs battling it out. Kevin's quiet focus here feels just as intense. No flashing cameras, no chaos, just obsessive precision in every step of the bagel making process. He built all of this from scratch. No big marketing push, no hype machine, just one quiet shop in Diamond Bar, and now his second location here in Pasadena. There aren't any lines stretching out the door, no social media frenzy. Yet here's a bagel that deserves awards, recognition, maybe even a debate about whether the bagel crown belongs here. And today, we're about to try it. A very interesting one. This is a fried chicken bagel.
Yes.
And we got it with the garlic.
Yes. The lox bagel with everything. Lox and cream cheese and tomatoes. And what is this? A little side of potato salad. I can already tell it's softer. You see how it is? It's not that it's not toasted. It is toasted because we smelled it.
Yeah.
But it's so soft. Oh, it's great. I do feel like the bagel itself is high quality and it's not cut your mouth hard. And it's not too salty. It still has all the seasonings and stuff as a everything bagel, but it's not hard. Some people have their preferences. Some people like hard bagels. We like all bagels. But this is a really great sandwich and reasonably priced too for the amount of work that Kevin and his team take to make these sandwiches.
Yeah, and then also they did exactly as you asked, which was very light sliver cream cheese.
Being a lactose intolerant person, I asked for very, very, very light cream cheese, and they abide.
Yeah, but they also have vegan cream cheese too.
Yes, they do. The smoked salmon is light in smokiness and not too salty. The tomatoes are nice and juicy, but not too watery. It's not so watery where the bagel itself absorbs the liquid. It's just perfect. And it's like not dripping, which is perfect. And it's not messy. I feel like it's great. It's a perfect sandwich. All right, you got the fried chicken.
Yeah, looking at it, it looks like it's got lettuce, it's got tomatoes, it has onions, dill pickles, and fried chicken.
That sounds like a great sandwich.
I mean, they have the photo of it right there, and I was like, oh yeah, easy choice. I think I might have found my favorite bagel. The texture of the bagel is something that like we've never really had. The bounciness, like let's say on the bottom here. But then also this bagel, because it's garlic, there's a lot of good garlic flavor, and it goes perfectly with the chicken. This is A+ bagel, seriously. And like now that we know what goes into making this, it makes it even more special, I think. So blown away by the bagel, but the fried chicken is also excellent. It's more of like a thinner patty, and it has like a tiny bit of sauce, but not too much. It's a little bit sweet, so it's kind of like a honey mustard style.
Ooh, I love honey mustard.
Yeah, and it's nice and crispy. And look how juicy it is in the center. They've pretty much done everything ideal on this, and now you got trying some of the potato salad.
Yeah, the potato salad has grainy mustard, and I love grainy mustard. I think there's some relish in there, or some pickles, and the grainy mustard, it's perfect. I wish I had more of this. And there's onions in there, there's potatoes. Wow. I don't know if I like the bagel more or the potato salad more. They're both delicious.
And that's saying a lot.
Yeah. They also serve coffee, so you guys can get your coffee and your bagels all in one place at Bageloo.
Yeah, and also other pastries. They have pastries and cookies and And they have a small amount of merchandise in there too. It's a miracle that this place isn't like completely packed with lines out the door. This is a place that deserves it.
A lot of people come and get to go.
Yeah.
Hi everybody, thank you for coming. I'm very happy to introduce my Bageloo. Thank you for everybody enjoying it. Thank you.
We had a great breakfast here at Bageloo, but if you're wondering which mom and pop shop you should support next, check out this playlist here.